Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can DM someone on Twitter. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Twitter app. Then tap on your profile on the top left. Then scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. After that, go to Settings and Privacy. From here, if you scroll down to the bottom, you will get to see Privacy and Safety. And once you're here, you can tap on Direct Messages. Here you can control who can message you. So tap on Allow Messages only from people you follow. You have two other options. So in order to DM everyone, I'll select Allow Message Requests from Everyone. Now you need to go back. So once you're in the Twitter homepage, tap on the inbox icon on the bottom right corner. From here, you can send DMs. Tap on the icon on the bottom right. Now tap on the search bar and search for the person you want to send a DM to. After that, select the person from the list. And as you can see, it says you cannot message this user because you're not verified. So I'll go back and open another chat. And here, as you can see, we have the option to send a message. So tap on the message box and type in whatever you want and send the message. Your DM has been sent. You can also send pictures or GIFs from the bottom left corner. So this is how you DM someone on Twitter.